me history as a Pickney. Me history as a Pickney, never easy at all. Sometimes when me look back, me just want to ball. But instead, me just clear me head. And thank God say, life not so bad. Though sometimes me get a little sad. When me consider how we did poor, me never have to wonder if poor did know we door. Cause him always come knock and him not left at all until somebody call out or get a heart attack. The luxury when me have now, me never have them then. Even simple things like a best boyfriend. Them the time Pickney at school. Never the damn fool. Them stick to the richer one them who could have give them little food. Things like deodorant, perfume and common lotion. If try and smell good, we have to mix with one a portion. Like rub little coconut oil or the soap where we bathe with, pan we dry. Oof, to make them look like foot. Another luxury we never have was me styled paper. And let me tell you the same thing. We but used to paper cause dry banana leaf, book leaf, and even the good old newspaper was the only means to even try and stay clean. Tell you the truth, people. Me was a virgin, but me used to walk lean cause the banana leaf and the newspaper used to treat me behind mean. As a little girl, me never know about stush and the boy them and cat them used to push. One time me go take fast and go try fish it a bush and one big red ants no bite me pa me tush. Me history as a Pickney could have full of book. Me even still remember the day me learn to cook. One thing for sure, me no shame no more. Cause poor and poverty, I know me creative. You must always remember a little of your history. And not play rich and try to come and diss it. You have to love the past, to appreciate the present, and consider each day a big gift sent from heaven. And Max Poet says so. It goes so.